Okay. Good morning everyone, my name is Marco. Today's episode is gonna be about my new old little boat. So a few months ago I got this boat. So this is gonna be officially the first time that I'm taking the boat out. I'm gonna put it to test 100%. Right now it's 7 a.m. in the morning right here in Georgia. I'm going to Lake Lanier. So this is the little boat. It's a 14 feet long. It's pretty old. I believe it's 1972. It came with a trailer, it came with a trolling motor. I additionally bought this little 9.9 Mercury 4-stroke. I've done some work in the boat. I've painted it inside. The next thing is to paint it outside, so you still see that it's a little bit scratched. But in general terms, the trailer is in good condition. I have all my fishing gear over there, and we're gonna try some luck. I'm gonna plug it to the truck and take it to the lake. All right, we're here, we're fishing. See what happens. I have a minnow in one, herring in another one, and then 2 herring in this other one. So we'll see. I don't see too many fish jumping. I just saw once or twice, nothing yet, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, I couldn't get anything in that other place, but I'm here right now in another spot. According to Navionics, there's a deep brush right here in this area. There's fish, so I'm trying to fish this spot. I'm gonna give it 15 minutes. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna retrieve and go somewhere else to see if I can get anything. All right, third spot. Let's see if third time's the charm. There's a few guys over there fishing. I throw 2 lines right now. There's some brush in this area. Actually, last year I was able to catch 2 catfish, and then another one pretty big fish run away, so I couldn't catch it because it broke my line. So right now I'm prepared just in case I can get something good. Right now it's the perfect conditions. It's sunny, not very hot, not so many boats in the lakes or anything like that, so pretty nice actually right now. So I would be surprised if I couldn't get a fish. I think oh, there's something over there. Okay, gotcha. Awesome, there's something over there. I knew there was something over there. Okay. So let's see what this is. That is a catfish. So let me get it. Let me make sure that he doesn't run away. So come here, catfish. I got my first catfish of the day. First fish of the day. And it's a channel catfish, I believe. All right. All right, perfect hook set. So all right, here we are. So this guy looks interesting. It has some red dots, so I don't think it's probably good to eat. I'm gonna just give it a measure, make sure. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay, we'll see. 258 pounds. 258. And let me give it a measure. 258. And then this guy is it's, let me see, 19 inches. All right, see you guys. So that was good. All right, nothing here. Try to get another one. Still a very slow day. I came here at before 8 a.m. and it's right now 11:19, and I just managed to get my first fish of the day. So it's a pretty slow day right here, but I'll keep trying. Okay, I'm moving to another spot. I think this is gonna be my final spot, and then if that doesn't work, then I'll go home. But at least I could fish one catfish today. We'll see what happens, but I'm pretty satisfied with the way this boat is working. I mean, it's been a lot of work trying to make it work, and I'm still not done. I still have to repaint the outside. I have to make some other things to it to actually make it the way I want it to be. But so far it's been great.